Ah, oh, that's hot. That's hot.
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digi Affiliate, and today we're gonna use My Lead Gen Secrets to promote this My $25 all-in-one business. Alright? That's what we're gonna do for now. And this time we're only gonna use one account for people who are just starting, they only have one My Lead Gen Secrets account, right? So we're gonna just use one account here, and we're gonna use my smallest account. Which I only had for a few months. Alright, so let's get started here. First thing we do, we go to My Lead Gen Secrets. Oh, by the way, I'm gonna start the page on here so you can see my results, just in case you guys are interested in seeing results and stuff. So far I made $700, but let's keep it moving. Alright, so first off, we're gonna go to my account. This is my smallest account here. It has 235. I know starting accounts won't have that many, but trust me, the cool thing about this is that it's recurring commissions, right? So you make money every month on the same people, which is really cool, unless they opt out. So anyway, let's go to let's use one of my emails I already made. We're gonna use the full week and the money keeps climbing. We can use that one. I already wrote that. It's very easy to write emails, by the way. You could just you can even copy this one here. I go through it real slow, real quick, like, so y'all can just copy in that. I put my face at the end there. Alright, so there you go, guys. And then we'll send it right here. We'll make sure we hit perfect timing. What perfect timing does, it'll send an email around the time people will see it. Check their emails. You know what I mean? Like, say you check your emails around 8 o'clock in the morning. It'll send an email around 8 o'clock in the morning, so they end up on top of the list, so you don't just delete all of them, all your emails. But you know what? Anyway, we're gonna go to preview here. Make sure the link works. Always check and see if the link works, guys. 'Cause sometimes something can mess up and the link doesn't work. Alright, so, and then we're just gonna send an email. Just simple as that, guys. Very easy to do. And very simple to do, and we're done. That's all we had to do, guys. You see how fast that was? That was so fast. That was 2 minutes. Alright, and all in one, what the all-in-one digital business is in general, guys, you can set up your funnel. It gives you everything you need to start an online business, like a funnel and all of that, for only $25, plus training and stuff. If you want some training on how to do stuff and all that, cost some money. But this is way better than ClickBank or anything. Not ClickBank, ClickFunnels is what I meant to say. Using ClickFunnels to start an online business. So most people use ClickFunnels, but ClickFunnels cost $91 and something like that. And they got like a hidden thing where if a certain amount of people check out your page, they'll cut it off. So you have to pay the $2.95 or something like that a month. So ClickFunnels is definitely not the way to go. And plus, its recurring commissions is only 40%, which this one is 80%. So you make a ton of money getting people into this, and yeah, man. And it's something that they need. Like, it's not like just this thing where it's not selling something. It's something that they need if they want to start an online business, start going. Everybody need a funnel, some kind of funnel. So it sell really well. Anyway, look at this here. I want to just show you guys this. Just one sale could turn to $74,000 a year. One sale a week. 2, 140, and 3, 200. Right? That's all it takes to make a ton of money with this system. You get a sale a week, you can make a crazy amount of money. That's how much money you could make. $120 per month per customer. That's crazy. All right, I just want to show you guys that we starting a new series up. I don't want to waste y'all time, anything like that. I just want to speak on it real quick. That's what we're gonna be doing. I'm gonna try to post every day, and see how this goes. All right, guys, and that's all I have to say. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.